In this video, we'll walk you through the process of configuring Analytes for a test type. To configure, navigate to the Application Settings module and switch to Test under Form Configurations. Select a test group and a test code from the drop-down menu. To add a new test type, press Add and select either Quantitative or Qualitative Test Type. Select a test group from the existing groups or add a new group using the Add a New Category icon. Specify a unique test code and a test ID prefix. To define the character length of the serial number, tick the box corresponding to character length of serial number and specify any number between 1 and 9. To define sample type, click the Browse icon, tick one or more sample types and press Select. Press Add. Now press Configure Analytes. Select an Analyte group from the drop-down menu or click Add Category icon to add a new group. To add an Analyte, press Add Analyte and specify an Analyte name. Press Add to save the information. To flag a test based on abnormal test results, select a flagging set name from the drop-down menu or click Add Category icon to add a new flagging set. To specify information for the selected flagging set, select an Analyte and then press Specify Flagging Set. Specify minimum, maximum, critical low and critical high values and press Save. To add an Analyte attribute, press Add and specify details such as name, data type, input field type, etc. Press Add to save the attribute. Press Edit Order to arrange the order of the attributes in the form and in the table. To selectively display or hide Analyte attributes in the table, form, or search list, press Show/Hide. Tick the corresponding boxes and press Update to finalize the selection. After configuration, press Close to close the window. Thank you for watching. For any suggestions or questions, please email us at support@cloudlims.com or call +1 302 789 0447.